Origami Cat! Hey guys, this is Yamini from Sparklebox, and if DIY is your love, then you must definitely subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, let's get started with our DIY. We just need 3 materials to make this DIY, and they are origami sheets, whitener and sketch pen.
Take an origami sheet and fold it in half. Fold the corners to the center and then fold the lower part upwards. Now make the ears of the cat by folding the edges. Take another origami sheet and fold it in half and then again fold it as shown. Fold its sides a little and then keep folding them. Now fold its sides to the center. Fold the bottom sheet inwards. With sketch pen, let's make the face of the cat. Attach the cat's face to its body.
our origami cat is ready. Isn't it simple? Do give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram and tag us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then,